In this video, we're going to take a closer look at modeling work types in ShareDo. Now, in an enterprise application, you typically see hundreds of work types. So a work type is the container where you manage work. You manage all of the behaviors, you manage all of the attributes, you manage all of the data quality rules around that. So in this video, we're going to take a closer look at some of the features that enable you to configure, to optimize, and manage all of your work types in ShareDo. So if we jump across to ShareDo, what you can see is in ShareDo differs, so it enables you to configure what we call base work types. So these are really your templates that you can then quickly create specialized derived types of those base templates. So effectively what you're doing is defining, configuring that type once, and then reusing some of that configuration and specializing where you need to. So if we jump into a quick work type, you can see in that hierarchy, and in here we've got all of the features, all of the configuration items that enable me to configure my work type in ShareDo. And that can be things like its look and feel, so we can define its portals, all of the pages, all of the features. It's got its phase model, so things like its top level life cycle that this work type can transition through. We've got all of its menu structures, so we can create specific menus for this specific work type. We've got all of the participants, so all of the key actors that are involved in your work item that are involved in the case in one way or another. We've got all of the relationships, so you can create your networks of work. So we know that lots of your work types can be created in networks, so you might have lots of tasks and activities, you might have lots of related things that you'll model separately. And furthermore, we've got a whole feature framework that you can light up and configure key features around your work types. Everything from finance to negotiations to time recording to data security models to integrations with other applications. In the next video, we're going to take a closer look at working collaboratively within ShareDo. So things like how do we work collaboratively across lots of different users. So that's things like wikis and comments and alerts and notifications.